Okay, so this is what it feels like flooring a Chrysler 300. Alright, ready? So we're visiting Adam. After that, we're visiting your friend in Toledo. He works on a race car that he's trying to drive.
Yep, this summer.
That's our agenda. His mustache is like the third party of this trip. 5 minutes into our trip and we took our first rest stop. And he got a soy latte!
No, I got a black coffee. They messed it up. You weren't there when I ordered?
We just wrapped up today. We're about to pass out. He's taking a shower. I'm gonna take a shower. Mahesh is taking a shower in the morning. We have a fun day planned tomorrow. We're actually gonna go look at race cars. We're headed off to his friend's house now.
His name's Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Call him Nathaniel.
Yeah, we're gonna meet Nathaniel. Like and subscribe. Also, speaking of subscribers, I hit the shut up, vlogging. No,
restricted access on route.
All right.
I know it's restricted access. Then don't give it to us, you piece of.
Okay, before that thing starts talking.
1,000 feet. Turn right.
So I hit my first 50 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. I hope more people will subscribe, including Nathaniel. Thank you. Alright,
Status update.
another 3-hour drive back in this, which is trash. It's like, this is boring because we're going 50 miles an hour and we're supposed to actually have fun with the car. I don't know if this counts as fun with the car, but yeah, we're... But I'm excited to see the race car, so that'll be fun. Okay, so this is what it feels like flooring a Chrysler 300. Nope. It literally can't even like control itself right now. Okay, so we just got to Nate's place. There, we're gonna go look at his race car immediately. It was just like a hello, and then all right, let's go check it out. These are the friends you need to have in life, people.
Yeah, actually this was my first car.
Really? How old are you?
16.
Yeah.
And then actually Dana will tell you, my wife, his mother, that I asked her to marry me in this car.
Really?
So yeah.
Oh, this isn't leaving then, I guess.
So it's not going anywhere. Very, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Scott.
Very nice to meet you. Yes.
Take care. Good luck again, Mid-Ohio, wherever you guys go. We're in Defiance, Ohio, and it's this beautiful, quaint little thing. Nate lives here. We just got done with lunch in this like super quaint diner in Defiance, Ohio. It's actually really good food. The best part about all this, so we got apple, or not apple pie, but it's cherry. I wanted apple, but they ran out. Apparently it's really good. Actually, can I get a fork, please? Sure. Just in case I get hungry on the road.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Can I eat that while it's riding?
Yeah. You can feed me. You don't want to feed me? I'll finish it by the time we get to Columbus. I don't mess around with pie.
Yep, this
All right,
one's
let's
yours,
go. Heading back and we're in Columbus. As we're parking the car, that's a wrap for this vlog. Big thanks to this guy for the road trip in the car. What's like my outro?
I don't know what that is.
Like a sign out kind of thing?
If you want me to say something, I'll say it.
Peace out, homies.
No, I would never say that. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.